What's up, everybody, and welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to be building a miter saw station. I'm going to make it portable. I also want to be able to have some storage underneath there. I got some ideas what I want to do, so stick around and we're going to build a station. So we got our tops installed. I did not get it in the video, but these two right here, I completely forgot about when we're gonna do our angle cuts. I forgot to cut those, but I got them all fixed. You can see there's a couple little holes where I had screwed them at. Not a problem, easy fix. But again, you learn by your mistakes. But overall, came out pretty good. Got everything cut, installed. Love the way it turned out. So now we have a completed miter saw station right here. And then later on, I'm gonna get some cool little plastic bins put underneath there for like screws and I don't know, whatever else I want to put down there. And then right down here, as you can see, got a cool storage area under there to put any like tools. Yes, later on I need to make something for this extra wood. That's gonna definitely be in the future builds. And also, I'm gonna build one of these right here. Clamp rack. I've been watching some Mr. Build It. Definitely love watching his YouTube videos. Gonna see about making me one of those. Alright, so what y'all think about that? I sure hope that y'all enjoyed this build as much as I did. Now I got me a cool miter saw station. No more using the cheap Walmart plastic table that I was using before. I'm gonna do some more stuff to this later on. I'm gonna add some little storage bins to put underneath there. And I don't know what else I want to do. I'm going to figure it out. But I'm going to leave in the descriptions down below. I'm going to leave you same plans that I had. If you have a saw like mine is a 10-inch. I believe the plans are for like a 12-inch or something like that. It's an easy fix. But again, I love this saw station now. And hey, if you are not already, please hit that subscribe button. Turn on that notification bell so you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. Again, I appreciate the love and support, and I'll see y'all on the next build.